What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and this is my the bedroom cinema setup. So you can see the Jurassic Park right here. Well, this room is 120 square feet of room, small one, and I have a 12-inch Sony Explode subwoofer, so which is right there on that corner. So today I'm gonna check the sound and vibration of this thing. So for that, the Jurassic Park is the best sound effect. So I have collected some dinosaur footsteps and some footage from the YouTube. So I'm gonna play all of them and gonna check the sound and vibration of the bass of the 12-inch subwoofer. So we're gonna check it out how that 12-inch subwoofer shake this whole room and also me. So let's check that out.
Maybe it's the power trying to come back on.
Where's the boat?